Hey peeps, what's up? I'm here today because I kind of wanted just to do a video just about me and Roxy separately, because I was doing clips after my hair video and I realized it was kind of disjointed. It didn't really go together. So this channel is about natural hair, beauty, my life, and my guide dog. So I just wanted to make sure that I just did a separate video with just me and Roxy. It's going to be really short, kind of more of me keeping record of our life together. So we just celebrated our 2-year anniversary, and I just kind of wanted to share this montage of love I had for Roxy, my guide dog, and share that with you guys. I hope you enjoy.